Demo shirt, flip-flops on, big old smile and a Texas dawn. Camera roll, backyard plot, blew up stuff that we all forgot. Steel plates ringing, duct tape king, having fun doing real dumb things. Sketchy builds, backyard boom. He was the cowboy in the YouTube room. Yeah, he said, welcome to Demolition Ranch. Let's go. Pew, pew. Y'all ready to see something wild? Just wait, you'll see. Don't tell Mayor. Kaboom! Yeah, Matt made it thunder. Laughed while stuff went under. Blew up the norm like a boss. Flip-flops on, he never gave a toss. Yeah, Matt made it thunder. Off the ranch, he got weird with it. Built a house, slid down it, then quit. Hauling cows, fixing walls. Still somehow making merch hauls. YouTube legend, cowboy nerd said, yeehaw! Then dropped the word. And now he's bowing out with pride. Tipping that hat, what a hell of a ride! Yeah, he said, don't try this at home, kids. Boom! Unless you got a vet license, or don't. Demolition! Yeah, Matt made it thunder. Made the Renner rob a looter. He lit it up and waved goodbye. Now we salute with tears and smiles. Our general's retired, but the ranch lives on.